you?
I'm happy.
Very good. Tina, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8. Very good. 8 years old. What's your favorite color?
I'm pink.
Oh, look at your t-shirt. What color is it? Pink? Yes. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Of course. Let's start with the vocabulary. Tina, look at this. What is it?
This is light.
Next.
It's
It's a.
It's a turtle.
Good job. Next, let's move on.
It's a dog. It's a bird.
Bird. Perfect. Now, Tina, let's move on to what is that?
That is
That is
a desk. That is a board.
board. Good. That is. Next, what is this? This is. Not T-E. That T-E. This is.
This is a chicken.
Trash can.
Trash can.
Alright. Here, what can you do? I can.
I can juggle.
Next. I can.
I can skateboard.
Skateboard. Good job. Here, Tina, you have to say the beginning letter and the sound, okay? For example, you have to say letter I sounds iguana, okay? Do not say iguana. Do not say that. Letter I sounds iguana, okay?
Yes.
Ready? Go. Letter
Letter A.
sounds.
A.
No, do not say ah. Letter A sounds ant, okay? Let's start here. Letter
N.
sounds. No. Good job.
Letter L. Sound light.
Great job. Next.
Letter
Z.
G. Sound
That's zipper. Letter J. You didn't say ja. Juice. You forgot. Juice. Okay, next. Can you read? Where is it? Yes, good. Next. Where is it? Good. Next. Where is it? Good. Last one. Can you say it again? Brush. Where is it? Good. Very nice, Tina. Now, what is your favorite animal? Look at this. What is your favorite animal? What animal do you like? Cats? Oh, how many feet does the cat has? How many? 4. Very good. What does the cat say?